Here's a conversation between two people about climate change. Let's have this conversation together. I'll say the blue lines and you will say the green lines. Let's begin. Hey, have you noticed how the weather has been so unpredictable lately? Some days it's extremely hot and then suddenly it rains heavily. Exactly. Climate change is a big issue. It is caused by things like pollution, deforestation, and the burning of fossil fuels. And because of that, many coastal areas are at risk of flooding. I read that some small islands might disappear in the future. Yes, farmers are also suffering because of unpredictable rainfall. If there is too much rain, their crops get destroyed. If there is too little rain, they can't grow anything. It's so sad. We need to take action before it's too late. Well, even small actions can make a difference. For example, we can save electricity by turning off lights when we don't need them. That's a good point. We should also plant more trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and help keep the air clean. Exactly. Governments also need to take action. They should invest in renewable energy like solar and wind power instead of burning coal and oil. Scientists say we still have time to fix this problem, but we must act fast. If we don't, future generations will suffer even more. Absolutely. Let's start by spreading awareness and making eco-friendly choices every day. Could you follow the conversation? If not, let's start from the beginning again. If you could, let's proceed to the next video.